I'm Suratavan and you are watching Health Funky. Today I'm sharing with you benefits of almond oil for skin and hair. We all know how much almond oil is beneficial for health and one of the beauty secrets in all the expensive products. Uses of almond oil can give you flawless skin and long hair and much more benefits. Oil is rich in vitamin E that is good for skin and hair. You may have come across in two variations of almond oil, sweet and bitter. Sweet almond oil is extracted from the edible almond and uses widely in many skin and hair products. Bitter almond oil is extracted from bitter almonds. We are going to let you know what incredible beauty results we are going to get from the uses of almond oil. 17 almond oil uses for skin, nails and hair. First, instant youthful glow. We don't recommend you to spend a huge amount on expensive serums for a youthful glow. Almond oil reduces fine lines, wrinkles, and skin sagging issue. Few drops are enough for regular use that give a healthy and youthful appearance. Second, reduce dark circles. All you have to do is to take a few drops of almond oil under the eye area, gently massage and leave it overnight. It boosts up the blood circulation when we apply regularly. You will see a noticeable change with the remarkable uses of almond oil. Third, minimize dryness. For those who have dry skin, almond oil is not less than any miracle. Do a skin massage for healing dry skin condition. Regular application will give amazing result in skin improvement with minimum flaking and cracking. Fourth, reduce chapped lips. Cracked and chapped lips will get better with the regular use of almond oil. Avoid using chapstick rather and do a massage with oil. You are definitely going to love the result within few days, especially it works amazingly in the winter season. Sixth, for exfoliation. We all know how much exfoliation is necessary for our skin and better than almond oil there is no other option can give everlasting results to the skin. Do a massage in a small circular motion to remove dead skin cells and stubborn blackheads. Apply it over the face gently. 7th, use for massage. All are best for face massage and like coconut oil, we will find almond oil best for skin also. It is being used by various massage therapists because it has low viscosity. 8. As a sunscreen, almond oil is a great barrier from potential UVA and UVB rays, rich with vitamin E because it rejuvenates and hydrates the skin effectively from skin exposure. 9th, fade away stretch marks. Massage with almond oil fade away stretch marks and improve the appearance by softening the skin in an effective manner. 10th, for hand and foot cream. Almond oil is best because it is a light and less greasy for hand and foot creams. It can easily get absorbed in a skin, helpful in healing the crack of foot and reduce the dryness of hands. 11th, for eyelashes. Everyone wants to grow their lashes just like naturally flower eyelashes. Take a cotton tip or mascara band and dip into the almond oil. Apply it on eyelashes and eyebrows. Keep on repeating method before going to bed at night or in a day. 12th, for lip balm. Do you want to get soft and swell lip? Take almond oil natural and mix it with honey. Place this mixture in an airtight container and store in a fridge. Apply this lip balm onto your lip whenever you feel dryness. You can add this into your winter lip care routine where people have to face dry and chapped lips often. 13. For strong nails. If you want to make your nails strong and healthy, then take a few drops of almond oil and massage nails and cuticle with oil regularly. Do you know it will add shine to nails also? Yes, you would love it. 14. For treating wrinkle and skin aging. Almond oil and apple cider vinegar for face wrinkle are considered best for minimizing fine lines and crop fit. It improves skin by reducing fine line and wrinkle. Take 1 tablespoon almond oil and mix 2 drops of vitamin E. Apply this onto your face and massage in circular motion. Keep this process continue at least 10 to 15 minutes and then wash your face. You will get best result if you will continue this process daily before going to bed. 15. For removing dandruff. To get rid of dry scalp, almond oil works well. Apply a small amount of oil directly onto the scalp and massage into the roots of the hair. Rinse off after 30 to 45 minutes. You won't find such an affordable dandruff treatment than almond oil. 16th. For hot oil treatment. Warm up a small amount of oil and massage it into your hair and scalp. Cover your hair with a shower cap and leave it for 2 to 3 hours. Rinse off with cool water. It provides deep conditioning to the hair and gives an amazing straight look at home with soft look. 17th. Moisturize the skin. Almond oil is an excellent natural ingredient to lock the moisturize in the skin. Just apply this to your body and face right after a shower for getting huge benefit for moisturizing. These are some of the amazing beauty results that you will get with the uses of almond oil. You would love the benefits of almond oil. Try this out today and do let us know about your experience. For more videos, click the bell icon and don't forget to subscribe our channel.